YouTube, what's up? I found this a couple of days ago and it was fresher, but there's this peach that ants are eating, and there's a lot more ants at the time, boring just a little pass through it. But there it is. So it's been eaten away a little bit more, but there were a lot more ants on it. It was really cool because they were. Oh, and there's some little bug ants on it. Anyway, it's not so cool anymore, but it was cooler because there was a lot of ants. Anyway, just wanted to share that with you. Bye. I'm at the park with Duke. Let's see if we can find him. Actually, I know where he's at. He's over there. There he is. Duke. He's waiting for me. I'm going over here, Duke. Come on. There's Duke, stay. Stay. Alright, go ahead and cross. Come on, Duke. Come on, bud. There's a car coming. There's Duke. That car stopped. When I said stay, Duke stopped on the side of the road, but then the car stopped, so Duke could cross. There's Duke. Duke. I know this is a boring video. It's been boring. Hi, YouTube. I'm still at the creek, or at the park. I'm at the creek. See? There it is, the lovely creek. This is part of Duck Creek. And I just came down this cliff right here. Yeah, it's kind of slanted, it's not that hard. I came down from this path right here. Maybe a little harder getting back up, but if I walk over here, I can probably climb up without stepping in the water. I can actually climb up right through there if I wanted to. Want to see me? Here we go. We'll just climb up this way. There we go, climb it. Hi, YouTube. There, see? I'm up. See? Actually, I could have stepped right there and walked over, but here we go. Foot. Hand. And there I am, hoisted up. I'm out. And there's Duke. Hi, Duke. And I'm out. Came up right through there. And that's where I just was. There's Duke's leash. Now we're at the top of where I came down. Right here. Want to see me do that again? So you step here, and you just run down the hill. Just barely missed the water. Let's see if I can climb back up this hill. Alright, here we go. I'm going to climb up right here in this hill. Oh yeah, it's not hard at all. Ta-da! Just climbed up it. Alright. This video is probably still boring. Look over here. Whew. Took some work though, I'm out of shape. Look, there's a hole. There's a hole in the bucket. Okay. That hole is where this used to sit. That thing right there. Hi, Duke. Anyway, this gull used to sit right there in the hole. Bye-bye. Hello, YouTube. I'm at Gaddy something restaurant, pizza restaurant with games and stuff. Mr. Gaddy's or something. Wait, hang on. Let's go look at the name. Gaddy Town. Eat up the fun. Anyway, that's where I'm at. And they have a train. Look, a train. Choo-choo. So I was going to get the train. I wonder if I can turn this thing on. There's the key. There's the... Oh yeah, it's not plugged in though. I guess it's just here for looks. Let's get in the train. Let's get in the train. Oh, it's locked. I don't know how to unlock it. That sucks. Oh wait, here's one that's unlocked. Here we go. There we are. I'm in the train. Choo-choo. Choo-choo. Look, you can see all the way up there. Choo-choo. It's the caboose. Coolness. What's up, YouTube? We're gonna go kill wasps. It's late at night, so we're gonna go outside here, and there we go. See, it's dark. I'm gonna turn on the light, and see there's wasp nests over here in the window. There and there. The wasp killer. Oh, they're all hurt and dying. There's another one banded up there, but I'm going to go ahead and spray it. And these little wasps. Anyway, that's about all the excitement of wasps. Wasps, wasps, wasps. YouTube! I just want to show you the taking down of the wasps. This is one I sprayed a long time ago. Like, here's a dead wasp. There's a dead wasp right there. Here's the dead nest. The dead nest. There's Duke trying to figure it all out. Uh-oh, he got the nest. Put the nest down. You gonna get that nest, Duke? It's right there. Duke, the head. You don't want that. Here's the first nesties. You can't see it, but here we'll pluck up. There's a waspatee. There he is. Dead wasp.